Intelligence Group.
Yes, we're doing cross-border financial news. Here we have Minister Salman, the Minister of Investment for Egypt, at an important business session here in Bank Intesa. You have a lot of good news to tell about Egypt. We're just the fact that Orascom construction is going to the market very shortly. Can you tell us more about that?
Yeah, sure. You know that Orascom Construction is doing a very innovative transaction. They are divesting the construction business on standalone from the fertilizers business, and they are going Nasdaq Dubai, and then they are doing dual listing in Egypt, and they are making an offering of around 140 to 155 million dollars in form of 10 to 15% of the existing market cap of the company. And it's the stock that will be traded in the Egyptian local market as dual listing will have construction everywhere, and will also include BISC, which is B6, which is the international contracting arm of OCI. So this will bring to the market again one of the major blue chips. We are very proud to have it again, and this major blue chips gonna be a market cap of around 1.5, 1.6 billion dollars. So this is bringing back depth to the market and restoring more investor confidence into the capital market, and hence also reflecting more economic activities to be embedded into the capital market.
We made this Orascom construction deal the best deal to ever be done in North Africa, probably in history, because you got Bill Gates, but not as a philanthropy, but as private sector investment, private equity arm. You got Davis Capital, one of the biggest investment funds. Will Orascom construction be the new Bechtel for the region? Will it be acquiring other companies? You have Libya, Algeria.
It is already big enough, not only for the region but internationally. They are having a presence in Europe. They are having a presence in US, and they are having a very powerful and effective presence in Africa and the Middle East. So I think this could be a good contracting, competing arm at international level.
One of the things you said, the Egyptian stock market has been the highest performing in the world. Yeah. This is a story that's sort of getting lost in the wash. You have a high growth market in Egypt. You're the bridge, the southern, we now consider the region southern Mediterranean. You're the bridge from east to west. Can you tell more about that too?
You know that as you may definitely know that the whole global market now is passing with slowdown in growth, in some parts recession, and in some part negative growth due to different aspects, due to the non-recovery from the global crisis that took place in 2008, and the high unemployment rates, and the low consumer spending and investments. So I think it is not that easy to find a place now undertaking a serious reform and having a potential to grow. Definitely we know that it is coming from a low growth rates, yeah, which is we consider it one potential at a point in time. Yeah. Because we are coming from 2.2% of growth of GDP, but now you are going to at least 4%. So here comes the point of buying the future concerning the Egyptian economy. You are buying the future growth. You're not buying the low rate. You are buying the difference between the low rate and the potential growth that will take place by fiscal year 14-15. In addition to that, you have a potential to outperform the gross GDP by end of the reform plan, which is 18-19, i.e. to reach anywhere between 6 to 7% in GDP growth. Therefore, you have from this point 2.2, in the coming 4 years, you have at least 5% of growth in the economy that can be witnessed in the Egyptian economy. So this is a very good opportunity, and in addition to a very important point, that this market is adding 1 million consumer every year. So it is adding a new country and a new consumer every year. So this is a potential that should be witnessed by every and each investment company in the region in order to attract and grasp this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So this